Okay, you guys, we're coming in to show you something. Welcome to the channel. You tune into JasmineLatishea.
Show them that.
We're going to show you how to grill some vegetables, and you can put it on top of steak, fajitas, or whatever. You can use this if you're vegetarian as well.
Without having a grill.
Without no grill.
So, right here is a jalapeno pepper. You're going to take your jalapeno pepper. You are going to hold it against the fire. Now, this does take a little bit. Just be patient. And you'll start to hear a little pop. That is a good sign. That means it's working. Now, this one's actually kind of small. I do ones way bigger than this. And see how it's getting that here gold color, gold and black,
yep.
Or dark brown.
I'm gonna turn my flashlight on so we can see.
There we go. You can actually feel it inside there.
The pop.
Yeah. Not you.
Yeah. I think this might be too dangerous.
No. See that? And you just keep going until the whole thing is like this. Watch. The pepper will let you know too when it's done. You'll know when it's done because it won't pop anymore. Here, I need a fork or something. Right.
So he just went and grabbed some tongs. Hold
because
it with
this
some
is
tongs.
too small. You tend to not want to do it with small ones. Do it with the larger ones and you'll have an easier where you can actually hold them in your hand. And you won't have no problems doing so. There. Can you grab that garlic bread? Guys?
Okay, we're back.
Now, if you wanted more than that, you can, but trust me, the flavor is literally all through that pepper. That smoked flavoring is all through that pepper. You can do it as desired. You can blacken the whole thing, but right there is the restaurant style pepper.
So that's finished.
Oh, sorry. See?
Crazy. Yeah, it smell kind of.
Well, it's not all the way, you know, I didn't do it all the way heavy.
Yep.
This is just light. Some people like them light, some people like them.
Well, that's a little trick for y'all that I wanted to come in and show you real quick.